Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the latch mechanism out of your Jeep TJ door. It's basically held in by 3 Torx bits. You can see them right there. But before you remove them, you need to remove these 2 rods. And then there's that rod that goes across and the rod that goes down. These here are pretty simple, that you just slide them out like this and then pull them out. And that's how those ones come out. And then when you put them back in, it's just the opposite. Now these rods are held in by some spring tension. You can just put a screwdriver in behind there and pop it out, just as so. And it's the same with that top one too.
So now with your 4 rods removed and the 3 Torx bits out, you want to take that rod and slide it up out of the way and then twist and pull the latch out.
Now to put this back in, it's the same way as you took it out, just opposite, and she goes right in.
There is no adjustment for those 3 bolts. You don't have to worry about trying to have it in a certain location. Just stick the 3 Torx bits in and tighten them up and you'll be done.
Now these rods theoretically should go back in their resting place, providing that all your hardware is resting good, like that lever is. That lever is this top one right there, and you get a light. So when it's a resting position, it should work if you slide it in. Same with that big one that I just stuck in, but if it does not happen, you just push the rod back out and adjust, and of course those ones just go in quite simply. For example, take that, slide it in the hole, and slide that clamp up. Same with this one. Slide it in the hole, and then that one there, slide it up in there. To make sure you don't get yourself in a bind, you probably want to roll down the window and double check everything, make sure everything works.
And there you have it. If you took it apart and installed it properly, the door should open and close smoothly from the outside and the inside. Double check before you reassemble the door. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.